BNB, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, after the price broke 510, we get a reversal. It was working as a resistance. There was no breakout, and the next one. Okay, because internally we had this correction relative to each other. At the first, we wanted to put this one in relative to what we had here, but we discussed about how deep this one can be in relative to what we have here. This is what we're looking for, the bigger picture, because most of the chart they have a similar movement, and even if you move to weekly chart, okay. And how deep this one can go technically, since the price couldn't break the previous low, we can expect even the price tag the lowest price of this correction. But what we are looking for me, I'm looking for buy. I'm looking for the opportunity for buy. As I mentioned, at this point we can look for the previous low, which is 316, somewhere around that. Okay, as we can see, the price almost near to that, but there was no breakout. Then we don't need to wait for the price to drop some more before we look for the trade. From now, for me, I'm looking for buy. I'm looking for the reversal, but we should know that maybe we get a lot of the opportunity for buy, that it doesn't move in our direction. It's like we are not going to simply buy and keep it. We are going to trade it. Okay, that's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we see it's not moving, we are not going to keep the trade. We take out the trade and we look for the next opportunity. And if you put this low relative to the previous one, and if we refer to the indicators, MACD doesn't show us the divergence. The another indicator showing me the divergence. I have the different information. Okay, that's mean we cannot confirm with that. And even if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was here. This is the first trade we get. The second one all was a short-term trade. Okay, because even when we get this reversal, we mentioned if we get the correction from here, we will take the trade. There was no opportunity for buy, and this is what we get. Anyway, as a long term, I'm looking for the reversal, and the targets I'm looking for is 890 following by 1130. And based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup yet. And even if we move to forward chart, if anyone wants to look for buy, we have to see the correction trade setup by having a stop loss below this before we take the next trade. Again, may we get a lot of the opportunity for buy and it's work as a short term. That's why we should know how to manage it. And for those traders, they get the trade for buy from here, move their stop loss to break even. And we can expect either to get the deeper correction for one move up, the price drop, or we get the next drop. Okay, we will expect to see the one more drop, at least the deeper correction. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup as a flag or correction. Simply, we cannot take the trade. And the sell is a short move flag as a short term. For me, I'm not looking for sell, I'm looking for buy. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup. Anyway, we should know that we're looking for the reversal point. We will get it soon. But the only thing is we should know how to get the trade at the lowest price. That's why we should know how to trade it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.